So hello everyone, I'm Akash and I will be going to demonstrate the Chrome extension that is named CodeRun. So with the help of this Chrome extension, we will be able to execute or run any code in Python, C, C++, Go, Java or C Sharp. So here as we can see we have two features. Either we can run any code that we select on current web page, or either we can also write any code that is in our mind and then we can execute that. So for example, let's take this code, which is basically a Python code. So we have to select the language first. And since this code requires an input, we also have to select this box. And then we'll click on execute. So it will ask for the input. So write the input and we'll click on execute. So here the code is executed successfully, so we can see the output of the code. And in case if the code has some error, let's say it has syntax error, and then we'll try to execute it, and then it will also show us the error, like it is at line 4, which is in syntax error. So that's one of the feature. Now with this run selected code, will be able to run any code that we select on current web page. So for example, we are surfing any website and then we just found a code snippet that we would like to run. So either we have to open any code editor or we have to go to online compilers in order to execute that code snippet. So instead, with the help of this Chrome extension, we'll just select the code snippet and then just go to Chrome extension and we'll select the language. Now as this code do not require any input, we'll just click on run selected code and it is executing. So the code has been executed successfully and we can see the output of the code that we have selected on current web page. So that is all about the Chrome extension CodeRun. Now, if you guys are developer and would like to contribute to this Chrome extension, you can go to the GitHub of this Chrome extension that I'll be providing in description and contribute to that. So that is all about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope it will help you in your productivity. Thank you, guys.